Hey everybody, it's Flux, and today I'm showing you a new module from Animodule called the Anvilope. This is a new envelope module that basically gets its name because its wave shape kind of looks like an anvil. And it has some interesting features. It has a loop, inverted output, standard output, gate input. We've got attack, decay, release. So using with no input, no gate input, I can just loop it and I can use it as an LFO, or I can use it as a standard envelope. So what we'll do right now is I currently have just the Little Monster VCO hooked up. So that's all the sound that we're going to hear. Square wave from that. So let's play around with this thing a little bit. We're going to send the output into the pulse width modulation. Turn that down. We could do interesting things like use it on the Little Monster VCO for exponential FM. Another thing I like to do is I'll take the inverted output. So you can send from both of these outputs at once. And I'll send the inverted output to the linear FM. So you can get some interesting sounds that way. Or let's send the inverted output into the pulse width modulation, and we have the standard output going to exponential FM. So this module is just really handy for using it in a lot of different ways. You can also turn the loop off, and what we can do now is just send the gate from any trigger source. Now I'm sending the gate out of the mini brute into the envelope. I have loop off, and I'm sending the output into the pulse width modulation on the Little Monster VCO, which has a little attenuator on it. So this really lets you kind of get the most out of having pulse width modulation on your oscillators, because you can really play around with interesting wave shapes coming out of this thing. course, it sounds great on filters as well. So now I have the Anvilope controlling the SOB filter here. I'm sending it into the CV input of the filter controlling cutoff. Let's go ahead and invert that now. So you can get these really nice, long, evolving envelopes out of it, and you can also get these very short percussive envelopes out of it as well. Let's go ahead and go for a more percussive sound now. And of course, if you add just like a little bit of reverb or something to that, it's going to sound quite nice. Okay, so with just a little bit of spring reverb from Guitar Rig added on. And we can send it to a multi, of course. And let's send that into this multi up here. And then we'll send it out from the multi into CV and also into pulse width. Or if you don't have the multi, of course, you could go out the invert. And we could use that other, let's use that other multi-port right here. And we'll send that to exponential FM. And if you'd like to hear a long attack, let's go up about 12 o'clock on the attack. A little bit further. It's about 3. So that's the Anvilope from Animodule. Very affordable, interesting envelope module for the Eurorack synthesizers. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, fluxwithit.com. Peace.